What makes the Saudi market unique from an investor's perspective?
Saudi market is one of the most vibrant markets around the world. I mean, it's a growing economy, it's a young population, it's a stable political system, it's a huge infrastructural expenditure. In 2011 alone, the government spent something like about 50% of its budget on infrastructural projects. They build roads, bridges, airports, colleges, universities, almost everything that can be done in order to stimulate and maintain an economy that is vibrant. We have, as you know, the petrochemical sectors, which is quite very competitive. We have one of the three largest companies in the world, SABIC. Our banking sector is fully covered. Provisions for the bad debts, for example, is 125 in most of the banks. So we're talking about an economy that has a size of 400 billion to 500 billion US in capitalization. We're certain that what's happening in Europe is not going to impact us significantly. So the government is moving along and with solid and confident steps towards building a better prospectus and better life for our younger population.
As one of the leading providers of asset management and brokerage services in Saudi Arabia, what's the focus for Alistithmar Capital at the moment?
Alistithmar Capital have just undergone a major exercise of merger. We merged the two investment arms of the Saudi Investment Bank into one company that is fully owned by the Saudi Investment Bank. We're refabrishing all our systems, all our procedures, policies. We're repositioning our staffing capabilities to ensure that we are delivering crisp services, concise and accurate and fruitful to our investment clientele. We're implementing new systems that are state-of-the-art technology, and we're just recently moved into a new location as well, wherein we have a full data center and call center that can help our esteemed customers to access our services in much easier way.
So who might be a typical client for you and the kinds of services that they're seeking?
We are serving all the grid really, from an individual investor who is trying to transact on an individual stock purchase or option purchases or puts, up to the very high end of huge corporates that are planning to do some like the 401k program like. So and we customize. So and that's one of the key elements of our success, is that we're very flexible and we meet what the customer demands and not what we design. It's not an off-shelf product packaging as such. We sit with our clients, understand what they want, and then start tailoring the services accordingly. We have clients who are, in the couple of thousands US dollars, and clients with billions and billions of US dollars as well. So, and we're happy that we can, at the same time we are serving both ends of the scale, we're still keeping them happy and satisfied with the services we are offering. So that's the typical, if you want to call it, typical client base that we are looking for.
How do you differentiate Alistithmar from its competitors? What gives you an edge?
Alistithmar Capital is, if you would link it to the owner, our parent company is called the Saudi Investment Bank. In Arabic, investment is in Arabic Alistithmar. So we're very deep in there. I mean, since inception of the company, of the bank, and since inception of our company as a subsidiary of the bank. We have quite unique specific attributes of the company. One, for example, is we don't have this huge hierarchy of management levels. So decision-making process, whether in the bank or in our company, happens in very short period of time. Decisions that are related to important investment calls are also readily available and within reach, within reasonable time. We're very flexible to our clients. As I said in the past, we're serving all types of client base, and from the top tier, government, if you will, virgin funds and stuff, to the lower tier of individual retail customers. All of them would require attention to and flexibility, and that's what makes us different. Is that we are flexible. Decision-making process is very quick, and we are attentive to details. I mean, what matters to the customer is really what prevails, and it's not what makes us more money.
Yahya Al-Sulaiman, thank you very much.
Well, thank you very much. I appreciate it.